Okay, so today I wanted to show you a very unique and neat feature so that you can make sure that your student and you see the feedback that your teacher is giving. So I'm using my son's account. We're going to come up here to the profile where the name is. We're going to click that. We're going to go down to settings. And then over here, we're going to go to notifications. And so from notifications, we're going to go through and figure out which ones that we want. So if you want to have course updates posted, you can turn that on. Course comments on updates, assignments, or discussions, you definitely want that one on so that you make sure that you see, and there'll be a notification up next to the bell in the upper right hand corner, any comments that are made by the teacher. Comments on your posts, that's like if you post something and then somebody comments back. If you want to see when course content is created, I'm not sure that one's necessary, but this course material is overdue. If there's a due date on something and you want to make sure that it flashes up, you can look down here in the groups. Really, these public groups, you don't need that. School things, if you want that, but really the main one that you want is this academic section here, and you want to make sure that your updates are turned on, that your comments are turned on for updates, assignments, or discussions, comments on your post is turned on, and you can make a decision on this one or not. So once those are set, we're going to go to the bottom. We're going to click Save Changes. And now, from here forward, up here in the upper right-hand corner, we will see this bell, and the bell will show us notifications that we have received, if it's feedback or whatever, responses to things. So I hope that that helps. And we want, as teachers, to make sure that you guys are looking at the feedback to make growth and to move forward. Thanks. Have a great day.